It's my pleasure introducing you to Gyro. Gyro is a prototype of a humanoid robot. So like we human beings have 5 senses, Gyro has 3 senses. Gyro is about 1 foot tall. Gyro's first sense, that is hearing. Gyro can interpret 7 different voice commands and complete the corresponding action.
Welcome, my name is Gyro.
Gyro walk.
I am walking.
Gyro stop walking.
Okay.
Gyro rotate left hand.
Rotating left hand.
Gyro rotate right hand.
Rotating right hand.
Gyro blink eyes.
Watch my eyes.
Gyro send video.
Video.
Gyro walk.
I am walking.
Gyro stop walking.
Okay.
Gyro speak.
My name is Gyro.
Gyro play music. Now we will see Gyro's second sense. He can see things. Gyro can recognize some basic colors like red, green and blue, and based on that he can take a decision. Now in the action, if we specify a command to be executed, Gyro rotate left hand and we specify a color to be recognized. And if we ask Gyro to take a decision based on whichever color he sees, now he can see red color and he'll recognize that color, and based on that he'll take a decision.
Completing the action. Rotating left hand.
Now Gyro has identified the color. Now Gyro is seeing a green color, but the color being specified to complete the action is red.
Action cannot be completed.
So he will not complete the action unless the color condition is met. When Gyro is walking, if any obstacle comes in his path, then he can detect that obstacle and stop walking momentarily. Gyro walk.
I am walking.
Now we can see an obstacle coming in his way. Now he'll detect that obstacle. Now he has stopped walking momentarily. When that obstacle is gone, he'll continue to walk. Now we will see Gyro's third sense. That is, he can sense objects and tell about the materialistic properties of the object. So he can tell whether an object is made of transparent material or opaque material, or conducting or non-conducting material.
The object is transparent. The object is opaque. The object is conducting. The object is non-conducting.
The most interesting feature in Gyro is his security mode. So if Gyro is playing a role of a security agent and you have activated his security mode, then he can...
Activating security mode in 10 seconds.
So after his security mode is activated, he can sense any movement that takes place in front of him and sound the security alarm. Now Gyro has sensed an intruder. and he can also dial and call the nearby police station, informing them about the security breach. Meanwhile, he can also take a snap of the robber, which can act as an evidence later.